But even so short, because she's not...
That's where mine was. She done round the toilet. That's where I was.
Ow.
We're at Stratford there, for the children.
Oh, no. We're
Prat. Bah. What?
There's no, she went and got her exchange stuff and I went to the exchange stuff. That's all she's got to do. And then she's not supposed to work, she goes to find the paperwork. Then she's got to go to your house and I think you can find the paperwork and you've got to go to her house and I think you can find the paperwork.
Don.
Yeah, I am.
What's that?
What are you saying?
No. Don't buy it.
Yeah, but you can just go and buy You can just go and buy one of them.
What?
They're all missing in the kitchen, that's the only thing that I can empty out.
What, in the kitchen? What, that woman's there?
Dancing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They said, just go and get a fucking drawer.
Don't buy it.
She said, let's go back to where she used
Charlie.
to be. All missing in her kitchen. You won't know, wait to see what she's done that night. And then go from there. If she says, yeah, let's get say about getting the paper.
What?
Try and keep moving forward. It's that same size as mine. That's their garden, same size.
Buy it.
Hello.
Hello.
I know that's grass. Courtney! She's upstairs. What? She's outside.
Buy it. Buy it. Yes, that's buy it. Bye bye, Clyde.
That hat!
Does that thing, I swear.
Bye.